Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about docs as data, meaning focusing on documentation as the key source material that will help you rank on LLM search. Earlier, we were worrying about search engine optimization to rank search engines that were getting popular. Now, with the rise of LLMs, we also have to think about how do you rank in LLM search responses so that developers find the API product or tool. So this has given rise to a new term called LLM SEO. So why do developers reach out to you on Slack, Discord, Telegram, or whatever forum that you have, community that you have built? They want a personalized response that will answer all their questions, all parts of their complex question. So this is the problem that LLMs are partially solving. In every part of the developer journey map, LLMs are involved. So we have to learn how to account for that traffic as well. If you search for LLM SEO, you will find several resources on how you should treat ChatGPT like a search engine and focus on optimizing your content for that. Most search engines have integrated their LLMs into the search response. So if you search for something that is not a straightforward answer, if you search for a question, how to get this API, how to get this data, how to build this tool, it will give you a personalized response that uses several different internet materials. While doing research for this topic, I came across this video that talks about experimenting with new terms and mentioning them in your website so that when people search for related content, your website comes up in search. So it is a way for you to rank in AI search. How do LLMs respond to new or specialized terms? From what I understand, LLMs can infer its meaning and usage from the surrounding text. However, the accuracy will depend on the quality of the data the model was trained on. For example, I took inspiration from what I do at work and searched for EVM chain intelligence API. So EVM API is a very common search term, and on-chain intelligence or blockchain intelligence is also a commonly searched phrase. So I combined these two and searched for for EVM chain intelligence API. So if you see the AI overview, it is giving me responses for EVM chain APIs, or it is talking about something to do with AI and EVM ecosystem. Meaning it is taking the word intelligence and searching for AI related tools. So it has not given me a completely correct answer. I know for a fact that there are tools that provide intelligence for EVM chains based on the network activity, data, trading activity, and so on. But why did they not come up in search? That is a question that we need to think about. Coming back to this, so documentation is playing a key role in all of this. Documentation, the blogs that you write. So the source material that LLMs refer to have to be very strong. If you think about it, so how do we prepare our material, landing page, website, blog, documentation, to account for traffic that comes from ChatGPT, Gemini, or other LLMs?